的人家我们的Dornier Cruise right in front of you. Please look ahead the aircraft.
Shibanta Banraghe yak Indian Air Force Knifeway Anniversary Celebration ka Headquarter Eastern Air Command Kalapanlong ya ka Air Display ha Yam Lake ban ai mensimi ke samla na Shillong ban na ka Northeast Brokaway bakin join ha ka Indian Armed Force ha ka ni jing Pyninam ya kini ki aeroplane Kalapanlong da ki light helicopter ki Dornier Rafale bat ke SU Lipo ki bala pen I ya ke jingla jongki bat ya ke jing tebit jongki ha ban pynher ya kini ki helicopter bat ki way habakran bat kinong tho kubor ka flight lieutenant Pavali kalapan paw ya ke jing don kam ban pen long kum ya kini ke program ban ai men sim ki samla bakin wan rung ha ka Indian Air Force nagaliang Air Marshal SP Dharkar Air Officer Commanding in Chief jong ka Eastern Air Command ulapan paw ke jing snokman ban yoi ya kajing seiso jong kani kajing Pyninam ya ki aeroplane ulai tu bahagi sngi baladap kila depan long Guwahati bat manta kila penlong hanong ba Shillong ban pen I ya kasap kapong ba kini ki pilot kidon ban pynher ya kini ki aeroplane
indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, showcasing another Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aircraft, which is indigenous aircraft, that is the Dornier aircraft, and followed by we had the Chinook, the only heavy lift aircraft that is available, helicopter available with the Indian Air Force, and the Rafales, and then we handed over to the Sarangs for their display.
Which is the Sarangs are the also they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. And you all will be proud to know that our team, this Sarang helicopter display team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world.
Ma'am, can you just brief us on the pilots who were flying the Sarang squad?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Sarang formation was led by our commanding officer, Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra. With him, flying was squadron leader Akash. He's the youngest pilot of our team. In number 2, it was our flight commander, Wing Commander Sridhar. With him flying was Wing Commander Janpriya. Number 3 was being flown by Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik. With him flying was Squadron Leader Avinash. Number 4 was being flown by Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar. With him flying was Wing Commander Thakur Vikas Raj Singh. So these are all the pilots which I stated who were flying in the cockpit in all these 4 different aircraft. Yeah.
Madam, one more thing, madam. This
I think that half an hour delay that we did was well worth the wait. So what did you enjoy most?
The Sarang
formation.
The Sarang show. All right, great. We did this show here in Shillong so that even people at Shillong can enjoy similar shows like they did at Guwahati just 5 days ago. And we were worried about weather, and like you saw in the morning where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowds had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Okay? How was that otherwise?
Are there plans to host shows like this more frequently?
Frequently is a little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Sulur. Sulur is close to Coimbatore. And it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out in the calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some.
Sir, how is this location in terms of hosting the show?
See, you can see the hills around you. There are 3 challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai.
Right.
But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profiles suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles to make. But you saw them. It didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also.
So the Rafale has come for the first time, is it?
No, we had the Rafale at the Guwahati show also. But the Rafale has done flypast earlier also. But yes, over Shillong, possibly the first time.
Sir, do you think organizing this kind of show will motivate the youth to join the Indian Air Force?
We hope so. we find that Meghalaya has a lot of youth who are very interested in the services and the Air Force especially. We see them when they come to our museum and the like. And I hope that shows like this will motivate them even further to come across and join. Yes.
Nayo, Squad Leader Ajay Jaiswal with Squad Leader A. Huda and Wing Commander P. Singh. Get ready to be the numbers and the other solid voters as we proudly introduce the brand ambassador of the Indian Air Force, the Saran helicopter is their team. And now soon you all will witness the changing formation from inverted wine glass to the English eye in the sky. And now this I stand for you, me, our motherland and for these indigenously developed helicopters. Coming in from your right side representing the Atmanirbharta of our nation.